And the Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has countered the Congress over government's lateral entry rollback. He says this demonstrates how Prime Minister Narendra Modi is steadfastly committed to social justice.
प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हमेशा सामाजिक न्याय के प्रति अपनी प्रतिबद्धता दिखाई है। हमें यह भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए 2014 से पहले किस तरह से यूपीए की सरकार कांग्रेस के जो निर्णय होते थे उनमें रिजर्वेशन के प्रिंसिपल्स का कोई ध्यान नहीं रखा जाता था। तो क्या उस वक्त रिजर्वेशन के प्रिंसिपल का कांग्रेस ने ध्यान रखा था? ये प्रश्न भी कांग्रेस को, इस प्रश्न का जवाब भी कांग्रेस को देना चाहिए।
Right, this decision comes just 2 days after an advertisement was put out in the newspapers by the UPSC. They had called for lateral entries for 45 posts across 25 departments. Now, the earlier explanation that had come in was that reservation does not apply to these posts as there is a roster of 13, where if there are less than 3 posts for which there is a vacancy, the quota criteria does not apply. Now, these vacancies were put out as advertisement separately, as in individual capacity, which is why reservation wasn't applicable. The government had come out to say that the lateral entry itself, the concept, was brought in under UPA governments. That was approved by administrative reform commissions. The first one had proposed it, the second one had approved it, and there were Congress leaders, Veerappa Moily in particular, who were heading those commissions. Now, after this change has been brought about, the opposition is saying that it is a victory for them and a big loss of face for the government that has been trying to compromise with the constitution. Now, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has also posted his suggestions in the light of this controversy. He said that to uphold social justice and safeguard rightful reservation, the government must scrap lateral entry move and prioritize filling backlog vacancies for SC, STs and OBCs. He also called for complete abolition of a creamy layer, which the DMK has always opposed. In the meantime, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has also called for stagnant ceiling of creamy layer to be raised immediately. Furthermore, and finally, he calls for caste census to be conducted to guarantee that educational and job opportunities are justly distributed to all backward and oppressed sections of the society who have been historically denied their rightful share. We've got more breaking developments coming in on this particular story. Times now has accessed the process that went behind the withdrawal of this ad. The details that are coming forth suggest that the advertisement was withdrawn after discussion at top levels. Remember, that is exactly what Chirag Paswan, who was the first ally who came out on record to say that they were unhappy with this decision, had also said today. He said that discussions have happened at top level and that is why there has been a rethink on this matter. Mohit, tell us more. Right, so Times now has accessed details of what has happened behind the doors that has led to this U-turn. Consultations have taken place right at the top level. Sources are also telling us that the government is going to conduct a comprehensive review and is welcome and open to suggestions from political parties on this matter. That's all we could pack for you in this segment, taking a very quick break.